In Waji, Guangdong, the water level is approaching the historical record, 7 meters higher than usual. Waji, Guangdong suffered the largest flood in history, with the water level reaching 55.22 meters, 0.43 meters higher than the highest water level in history, and almost the entire county was flooded. A car wades through a flooded street during the Waji flood. China's extreme rainstorms moved northward. Today, Zhangjiajie, Hunan, recorded a record-breaking 24-hour rainfall of 516 millimeters. The Lishui River experienced a severe flood, with the water level soaring by 9 meters in 12 hours. On June 19, after the flood in Waji, Guangdong receded, the streets were covered with mud and debris. Recently, most of China has been hit by heavy rains, but heat wave in northwest Xinjiang continues to escalate. Today, temperature in Dongkan reached 43.6 C, AWS 45.2 C. Temperature in Xinjiang will continue to rise in the next week, Turpan may exceed 47 C. On June 21, Anhui Province's Bengbu was hit by heavy rain, with 210 millimeters of rainfall in 24 hours. Continuous heavy rains in Zhangjiajie, Hunan province caused severe floods. Southern China was hit by a rainstorm belt thousands of kilometers long, with the maximum rainfall in northern Guangxi reaching 1017 millimeters in 5 days. Rainstorm will continue in the next 3 days, and many rivers in the Yangtze River and Pearl River basins will burst into floods. A landslide caused a bridge collapsed, and a truck was suspended in the air and almost fell. Fortunately, the accident did not cause any casualties, and the trapped driver was quickly rescued. The heat wave began to advance towards Northeast Asia today. Today, the temperature in Xinjiang and Hebei provinces exceeded 40 C, and Beijing reached a record high of 38.3 C. In the next week, Northeast China and Russia's Far East will break the June record. The northern part of Guangxi was hit by heavy rains, with rainfall reaching 1034 millimeters in 5 days, and major floods broke out in Heki, Liuzhou and other places.
你看那底下那下头车祸在里啊，车祸哦，这个天那个水哦，我的车还在车库里面。那边路上马路上面全部淹了，那个桥也即将覆没了。这个路上。你看别个那小区里面，满天了，这不是1楼2楼也不淹了吧？外面，在马路上面，全部不淹了，进也不能进，出也不能出了，现在是。
Hunan Jiangxi suffered the largest flood in 60 years, and 4 people have been killed so far. Guizhou Rongjiang suffered a severe flood and the shopping mall was submerged. On June 24, Chengdu, Guizhou, recorded a record-breaking 255 mm rainfall in 24 hours. The Dulyu River in Rongjiang, Guizhou Province experienced the largest flood in history, with a peak flow of 11,400 cubic meters per second and the water level 11 meters higher than usual. The flood in Rongjiang River began to recede this evening, but 50% of the city is still submerged.